Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to today episode, I think it's 4 of the Lost Concept series. Let's see, we have 1, 2, episode 4. We are not so good at team 2 and 7. We're playing the 3 and 6 Oreos, but let's see what position we need. Let's be starting pitcher maybe. Let's see, find someone with a good starter. How about try to get him? No, what about him? Let's go. So we got a new starting pitcher. Why not? Let's get another one. Trade. Relieving pitcher. See, maybe trade for 75. Oh wow, about 75, and oh, they don't want a lot. Let's see, maybe it's no. Yeah, we're just gonna do one trade, and we're home again. This series is not going off so good. Like, our players are good, but we are not having that much wins. We have 2 wins, and we've played 9 games. Oh my god, and this picture that we have is 2-0. Hey, is this guy we just traded for? I don't know. Sorry if the camera's kind of tilted. I'm still trying to work out this tripod. It's hard working this one. So let's sorry if it's hard to hear me, there's just noise in the back. Mookie Betts 2 home runs on the season. Let's make it 3. Oh, that's a strike. Oh, a ball. Good. Oh, a bunt. Oh, we're out. Dang it. I really appreciate it if you guys hit the like button. These take so long to make and so long to edit and upload. They take like 2 hours. That's way too early. They take like 2 hours just to upload them. So I would really appreciate if you hit the like. Dang it. And I think when I'm recording this, I just made the playlist, or right after this, I'm probably gonna make the playlist, so might not, I don't know. Comment down below what team you guys want next after this season. These will be 1 season rebuilds. And our goal is to win the World Series in all of them. David Ortiz up to the dish. I just did so much schoolwork. I got all of it done by like 10:30, and I can't usually get it done until like 1:30. So I have pretty much the day off. The schoolwork has some Zooms. Not a good first inning at all. We're both pitching no-hitter. That seems pretty good right now. Sounds good to me. I'm not trying to check swing. I hate it when it does that. Why? Today I'm swinging like too early, like all the time. I'm gonna hit this off of just looking at my phone. I'm gonna do this better. When I cannot look at the screen, I can only look at my phone. That's who I'm recording. I'm recording on my phone. So that's why I hit a foul there. Probably gonna swing really late. Oh, it was too early. Wow, I thought that was too late. Pablo Sandville. I call him Sandville. I think it's Sandval, but I call him Sandville. I'm not trying to check some guys, I promise. I'm not trying to check swing guys. What the heck is happening? There we go. Ah, dang it. Ah, still a no-hitter. Oh no, now they scored. Now we gotta score back. Dang it, dude. Oh, safe field! Oh my god. What the heck? Why do I swing it every pitch? Oh, that's out. Yeah. That wasn't even close. Dang it. Why do I swing it every pitch? What the? I didn't even push the swing button. That was not my fault, guys. I promise. I did not push the swing button. That I didn't either. Like, what the heck? My game is like glitching. What? What? I am terrible at this. I am terrible. Oh my god. I can't even get a single hit. How are we gonna get wins if I can't even get a single hit? My Reggie build that I'm doing is way better than this. We're like third in our division, right? He will last. Wait, no way is that. Yes, that's a double, that's a double, that's at least a double, that's a triple. Let's go! Triple, finally, we got a hit. Finally, it took 4 innings. That took forever, guys. That took 4 innings just to get 1 hit, and luckily it was a triple. And that is our first run. Let's go. This inning's actually being good. This video is already almost at 10 minutes for me. I recorded the fastest overall player draft, or fastest player draft at MM today, or earlier today before it closed. Recording this on the 25th, so I did it really late, but I'm uploading this, I think on the 26th it'd be. Yeah, I do it every other day. I record one day, edit that day, and then upload next day. And I go in that same cycle. Pop out. That's a decent inning. It was actually pretty good. I think 2 hits there. Got a run. Got a triple. Please don't get on here. Okay, good. They did not. I thought I was going to go through his legs for a second. The way I hit that. I hit it right to my thigh because it was a little bit fast. Splitter there. That was a good one. The pitchers I always face up against have a big advantage because they swing at every single pitch. Especially the curveballs. Okay, I actually didn't understand it. But like sliders. So usually it seems like they're going down the middle, but I just move. Oh, there we go. Oh, that's a good one. A good play there. Right next to the pitcher, but he could not get it. If you're still watching the video, 1, you're amazing. And 2, type in the comments pickles. I don't know what it is. I was typing in the comments pickles. 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 I don't know what else to do. I'm bored today, so. Yeah, I'm recording probably the every month video. Probably recording that today or tomorrow, maybe the next day, sometime in the next few days. Today is Monday. I'll probably record it between Monday and Thursday. I hope I can record it today. I really want to record it today. And of course I won't upload it till February, otherwise I could still get more cards. Okay, now. Not cards. What am I thinking? Why did I just say cards all of a sudden? No, every month video is not for cards. I wish it was. That's actually a good idea. I might do that next year. Yeah, I'm at 99 subs when I'm recording this. I'm just one sub away from 100. For 100, I'm doing a house tour. And other videos around, when I hit that, there'll be really big, really big videos coming out then. Really good animal videos, good IRL videos, just good videos in general. Oh, that was a good pickup. He barely got to that. David Ortiz. David. Come on, David. Oh, dang it. It's foul. play ball, ball, ball. Ah, the sinkers always get me. Sinkers, curveballs, and sliders always get me. Even though a lot of you guys have already seen my face before, I might do a face review at 100 or 150. Even though some of you guys have seen my face before, if you're an OG sub. First videos I had one, and then one of my other ones. So yeah, that one's getting close to 100 views. Yeah, but somehow, guys, I got my box height video from a few days ago. In 24 hours, I got it to 100 views. It's crazy. Thank you guys so much. That's like crazy. I could just sub on my other accounts, on one of my other accounts to get me to 100, but I wanna do it a different way. And one of my accounts is getting deleted soon. I don't know if that would lose a sub for me or not. If so, I might have to sub on my other account. Just to get me back to 99. So I think it's getting deleted in like 8 days or so. I don't know why. Something with Google and YouTube. Quentin Berry. Ah, too late. We're winning 2-1 in the bottom of the 7th with 1 out, 0-1 count, and a guy on first base. Make that. What? I guess 3 outs, but I thought he was safe there. Man, let's see the replay. It's the first replay of the whole year. And I do replays a lot, so, how do I hide this? There we go. This is the last play. Let's see it. That is close. Let's see this. His foot down there. That is close, but okay, here. They sort of sided off. Wait. Yeah, he's out. That was close. That was a surprisingly first replay of the year. And I do replays a lot. Bottom of the 8th. See how this goes. Started off with a bang. Oh, a double. Wow, I never saw it went past him. I was like, just a single, but bang, got a double out of it. Yeah, E7, error, left fielder. That's 7 names. There's pitcher's number 1, catcher's number 2, first base is 3, second base is 4, third base is 5, shortstop is 6, left field is 7, center field is 8, and right field is 9. Or maybe catcher is 1. No, I think pitcher is 1. I don't know. Mookie, come on. We need you. We need to get you at least 1 hit today, right? Oh, we need to get Mookie at least 1 hit today. Or in this episode. In this game. Ooh. Let's see. Let me go down. Nah, up. Not up. Right down the middle, actually. Ah, he's out. Go 3. Go 3. What? Oh, yeah, he would have been out. For me, it's... Yeah. For me, it just hit 21 minutes. For you, it would be longer because I have the intro in and he is out. Top of the 9th now, we will pitch. They want us to do a slider right there, I guess? Let's see. What? You told me to do it there. Forcing right down the middle. Nah. Scaredy. He's a scared cat. Pierce it, scaredy cat, scaredy cat. I am a very scaredy cat, hey. And if somehow you made it to this far in the video, type in cookies. Pickles and cookies. Ah, dang it. Could not get to it. Maybe I could have got that, maybe. If it let me go for it, I could have. What was that? 2-2 count. They want me to do a curveball right there. Why? It wouldn't let me push the throw button. It wouldn't let me push the throw button, guys. That's not my fault. It would not let me push the throw button. I guarantee you, it would not let me push the throw button. I'm going right down the middle. Jones can't hit. Jones still can't hit. Jones still can't hit it. I mean, he's hitting fouls, but he cannot hit a home or even a hit. That's finally 1 out in an inning. If they win this game, this will be our 3rd win of the series, but for our games, this will be our 2nd win. I'm just pitching him right down the middle. I don't know how they're missing him. Let's go. We won. Let's go. Who's player of the game? Mark? Oh, a pitcher. That's his 3rd win of the season. And that's our 3rd win. Let's go. Jonathan Scope. Oh, the twin. But I forgot he was on the Orioles back then. Johnny Scope. Let's submit now. It's a 4-game series. Dang, man. Okay, we got 2 wins off of it. We're still last, but 4-9. We still have episode 2 and 7. So that'll be for the videos. Thank you all for watching, and we will see you next time, guys. Peace. Woo!